Your car may be trying to tell you something. Introducing Zengine, a groundbreaking oil test for your car. Your Zengine test analyzes over 30 data points to diagnose your engine's condition and recommend possible solutions. Your Zengine Test Kit will arrive within days and comes with everything you'll need to pull and return your oil sample. Your oil sample will be analyzed by Zengine Labs. We inspect the oil for contaminants that can offer clues to potential issues within your engine. Healthy vehicles are worth more. A clean bill of health from Zengine can help you sell your vehicle faster and for more money and offer the buyer peace of mind. Zengine, peace of mind for all drivers.